Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your YouTube likes using the ZappyConnect platform. So if you are looking for a way to increase your YouTube likes on your YouTube video, then you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. So let's get right into the video.
So guys, I'm right here on my screen. So I'm going to be showing you how you can buy YouTube likes for your YouTube videos. So to buy your YouTube likes for your YouTube videos, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. Now for this video, I'm going to be using my Chrome browser. So you can use any browser of your choice, or you can use your mobile phone in order to follow up on this tutorial. So once you're on your browser, you just need to visit our website, which is ZappyConnect.com. Now once you're on our website, you're going to be taken to this home page, right? So now you can go through the website, check out our features, check out our design and everything. If you want to do that, then the next thing you're going to do once you are on the website is to create an account if you're a new user, or you log in if you're already an existing user. So now if you don't have an account, we already have a video on how you can create your account. So I'm going to log into my account right now. So I'm going to click on the login button over here. Now once I click on it, I will take it to the login page. Now I'm just going to provide my login details like my username and my password over here. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on the I am not a bot. And once I click on it, I will have this check mark, and then I'm going to click on the sign in, right? So now as you can see, I'm right here logged into my account. So once you log in into your account, you're going to be taken to your dashboard over here. Now as you can see, this dashboard is already active, right? So if you are new, you're going to be seeing 000 on your account, right? 000 over here. So now once you're logged in, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to need to fund your account. Now to fund your account, you just go straight to add funds over here, right? And then you select the country of your choice you want to use and you want to fund your account through. Now I have a video on my channel which will show you how you can fund your account on the ZappyConnect platform. So once you fund your account, the next thing you're going to do is to place your order for your YouTube likes, right? So you go straight to order over here, and then you click on new order. Now you will take it to the order page. Now the next thing you do is to click on the category over here. You select the service option. I'm going to select YouTube likes. Now once I've selected the YouTube likes, I'm going to select the quality. I'm going to choose silver over here. So I'll need a video link from YouTube in order to buy these services, right? So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel over here. Now I'm going to go down to find the video that I'm going to purchase these services for. So I'm going to copy this. So I'll click on share, and then I'll copy the link over here. So note that this video only have one like over here. So there's only one like on this video. So I'm going to go straight to ZappyConnect, and I'm going to paste this video link over here. And then once I've pasted the video link, I'm going to paste the quantity that I need. So I'm just going to put 100, and then I'm going to select yes, I have confirmed my order, right? Once I've done that, I'm going to click on place order. So as you can see, I've gotten the notification that says my order has been confirmed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to order over here, and then I'll select all orders. So as you can see, my order has been placed successfully, right? So it's processing. So after some time, I will check on the order which I purchased for YouTube likes, right? I'll go and check the video if the order has been delivered. So guys, as you can see, I've gotten value for the 100 likes which I purchased on ZappyConnect. Now I'm going to refresh this page so that you know that this is not it's not a. So you can see the 112 likes has reflected. I purchased 100 and I got additional likes. So if you want to get your own YouTube likes for your YouTube video, don't forget to check out ZappyConnect and buy your YouTube likes there. So don't forget to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section if you have any question on this video, and subscribe to our channel so you get notified anytime I drop a valuable video just like this, and I'll see you on the next one.